guys, welcome back to another video with the gardening guys. Michael of course is back on the camera as usual. As you know, my name's Bailey and we're on plot number 7, and this is the opposite side to what you've previously seen. The other half of the allotment. We've got black currants, white currants, dahlias over there, red currants and gooseberry, red gooseberries here. We've got the beds already laid out for spinach, broccoli, carrots, could be used for many different types, parsnips, you could even use them for potatoes.
Onions.
Shane's built this lovely contraption to put his bean sprouts up, or runner beans.
Runner or broad, I think he said.
Yeah, or broad beans. We have the dahlia flowers down here.
What are the pallets? There's pallets down there. What are they?
So if you have weeds, grass, or anything growing out of this soil, we use these for composting. You could put leaves in there, anything that's biodegradable.
So that one's already rotted down.
So this one's rotted down,
and that's the one
and this one is currently we're using. If you remember the lovely cauliflower, that was one of these over here. Unfortunately, died due to the bad weather.
That got hacked out.
That got hacked out, of course, yeah. I think this is a cherry tree here.
Yep.
And I'm guessing this one, more than likely the same.
It's sprouting too.
Oh, it's an apple tree?
That's an apple tree.
Yeah. Down here, we've got...
He's having to read labels.
a honeysuckle climber. We have another blackcurrant bush, even though it's got one over there.
Backups.
And if I remember correctly,
more mint.
That is another mint plant, and
these are all mints. What's that big tank there for?
So this big tank is connected to the, on top of the shed, because the water tap, obviously the council can't keep paying for water, so we have to use the lovely heavens and collect it in one of these bad boys. And there's a tap down here, and it runs running water, so we can feed all of the lovely plants on the allotment.
And if he wanted to, he has got the connection on the end of that, if he wanted to run a hose off it as well.
Yeah, and if he needs to run a hose, he can also do that as well.
And there is plenty of water in that, as we found out. You need to move the brick.
I know. And that's everything.
Oh no.
It's a bit temperamental. So
it's literally just storage.
Using this as a storage cupboard for now.
Nothing special in there.
Nothing really special in that bad boy. So it's very important that we make sure that this is obviously got water, so we can keep organic and fresh. So these lovely flowers can get water.
You've missed a bit.
I'll go back to that.
Okay.
Over here we have his grapes. I don't think he's currently have.
There is stuff planted in these. Not that I don't think there is them 3.
No.
I think they got ripped out, but there is in these. Don't ask me what they are.
I reckon he's got flowers growing in.
They are all flowers. I know that's daffodils. I know that one's
daffodils. One of these are going to be sunflowers, because his missus wants them.
And of course the famous pond.
And if you remember the lovely pond.
The pond that helps us do our intro for Shane's old channel.
Yeah. In the lovely God of YouTube, shouting them out again.
Okay.
So with your fountain over here, because obviously we haven't got power running, we run it off a solar panel. It's currently not on because it's dark, but when it's light, we'll show you how that goes. And finally, back to the shed. There's a solar panel connected to this light,
Which is just there.
which is just there, if you can just see it. And there's the security light is also connected to a solar panel, which is just found there.
We are having issues with that door, and it is going to get fixed at some point.
Welcome to the lovely shed.
So this has been covered in a previous video, but not for this channel. So Bailey, what is going on in here?
So in Shane's shed, we're currently using this as storage for all of his seeds and any other work-related things that we may need. So Shane has built a lovely, that's a converter. It's got his battery and etc. to run power for chargers, any tools, and any other necessary things that he might need. And of course, we always need a campfire for a lovely cup of tea on the allotment.
You solved all the problems around that one.
Very true, very true. He has a sorter for all of his bits and bobs, like screws, nails, hose attachments, light bulbs, pins, and these lovely things.
U-clips.
U-clips. I can't remember what he was using these for.
They are for. They have been covered in the video. They are for. Do you know when you take, you put dirt in it, clamp it round a branch.
Oh yeah, yeah,
get
yeah.
the branch to root.
Rerouting.
So that's what they're for. But he has got a whole load more of these to go up, so I think that might be a job for a different day. He wants that whole wall covering with him apparently. So there's more of them under there.
And then in this bad boy is extra gas, cleaning things, tea bags, sugar,
essential
cups.
supplies. He's even got a. Hang on, I didn't see that. He's got a can opener in there, just in case he wants to bring his bag of beans down. Okay.
And I will see you in the next video, guys.
You're missing a little bit.
And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
They call me a